Hi, I'm Jacob with CSA HVAC Services. I'm here to teach you how to change your filter. Sometimes your filter won't be in a box like this. Sometimes you'll have it in the ductwork on the side and you'll need to pull up a slit and feed in your filter that way. Sometimes it's in between your ductwork and your furnace and you have to pull it out that way. It's not all the same. This is commonly where the filters are. Normally when you're changing a filter, it isn't going to be this white. It'll look a little more like this. A little gray, little gloomy. Anyways, but when you have your brand new filter, you take it out of its packaging. What I like to do is I like to label it. That way I know when I put it in, and that way I can go off that to when to change it. I then insert filter like so and close it. Not all filter sizes are the same. Your system may take a different kind of filter depending on what's what. This one takes a 20 by 25 by 1 because that is standard. Another common filter size is 16 by 25 by 1. But then again, always double check, make sure you know what your filter size is before putting it in. Last thing about filters is you want to know what kind of MERV you're looking at. MERV 8 is typically the sweet spot for 1-inch filters as it comes to standard systems. But if you go into 4-inch, you got a little more wiggle room. You could go up to MERV 11, but typically we don't recommend going above MERV. And that's how you change your filter. If you have any other issues or questions, free to call at 801-874-5686. We service all of Central Utah.